Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on the application of Pokemon Go. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Pokemon Go and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.